We are still in early days. Let us be patient. Let us be cooperative. Let us be obedient. And let us care and love each other by taking care not to cause infection to others or help with the spreading of infections. Let us also educate ourselves a lot more about this pandemic and let us not panic, but let us love each other enough to be careful how we go about our lives. Midamasi. Nyenyi waladon. Nagode.